Hello everyone, in front of me is POCO M8 and let me show you how to perform a virus scan. So, at first, enter Security app. Here you will notice Security Scan, just mark it, tap on Agree and wait till it's done. So your device will be scanned automatically. And that's it. As you can see, in my case, everything looks good. If there's any threat detected, you'll be informed. Also here and from this panel, you will be able to remove the virus. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.